If you are holding your credit card right now, staring at an Apple Watch Ultra 3, a Series 11, or even a Garmin, I need you to stop exactly what you are doing. Put your wallet away. Cancel your Amazon cart. Because what you are about to do is make a massive financial mistake. You have probably been told that smartwatches have peaked. You have probably heard the tech reviewers say that year-over-year updates are boring, that Apple is just recycling the same design, and that you might as well just buy whatever is on sale today. But those reviewers are not paying attention to the supply chain. They are not looking at the verified, internal leaks currently pouring out of Asia. We are standing on the absolute edge of September 2026, and behind the tightly locked doors of Apple Park, Tim Cook and his engineering team are preparing to drop a nuclear bomb on the wearable tech industry. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is not just an update. It is a complete and total redesign from the ground up, featuring technology that will make every single watch currently sitting on store shelves look like a cheap, heavy, outdated toy. I am going to break down every single confirmed leak, every hidden schematic, and the absolute jaw-dropping new features of the Apple Watch Ultra 4. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why buying any smartwatch right now is a trap, and why the Ultra 4 is the only device you should be caring about. To understand the magnitude of what Apple is doing with the Ultra 4, we first have to talk about the elephant in the room: the design. Let's be completely honest with ourselves. The Apple Watch Ultra 1, 2, and 3 are incredible pieces of technology, but they are undeniably thick, heavy, and incredibly bulky. For a lot of people, wearing an Ultra with a dress shirt, or trying to sleep with a massive chunk of titanium strapped to your wrist, is just flat out uncomfortable. Apple knows this. They have heard the complaints for 4 years. And for the Ultra 4, the biggest, most heavily corroborated leak right now is a complete physical redesign. We are talking about a significantly thinner, lighter titanium body. Apple has reportedly completely re-engineered the internal stacking of the motherboard and battery components. By shrinking the internal tolerances, they are slimming down the entire profile of the watch without sacrificing any of its rugged durability. This means the Ultra 4 is finally crossing the bridge from being a hardcore, bulky adventure tool to becoming a sleek, everyday luxury timepiece that you can comfortably wear to the gym, to a boardroom meeting, and most importantly, to bed. Sleep tracking on the Ultra has always been a pain point simply because of the sheer size of the device. The thinner profile of the Ultra 4 completely solves this, making all day and all night work completely seamless. But a thinner watch body usually means a smaller battery, right? That is where the genius of the new hardware comes into play. Inside the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is the highly anticipated, completely new S12 processor. For the last few years, Apple's watch chips have seen very minor, incremental bumps in performance. But the S12 is a massive leap forward in power efficiency. Built on a brand new manufacturing node, this chip is designed to sip power while delivering an absolute tidal wave of processing speed. The leaks indicate that despite the dramatically thinner titanium chassis, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 will not only match the battery life of its predecessors, but could actually exceed it. You are looking at a watch that will easily push past 72 hours in low power mode and potentially give you multiple days of heavy, uncompromised use with all sensors firing, the always-on display active, and cellular connections running.